ये मेरा हैबिस्कस फ्लावर प्लांट है। इसमें बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स खिल रहे हैं, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं। बहुत सारी बड्स भी आ चुकी हैं इसके अंदर, और इसके अंदर फूल खिलते हैं तो बहुत सुंदर लगता है। ये मैंने नीचे लगा रखा है धरती में, जैसे आप देख रहे हैं। इसके पत्ते भी बहुत हरे भरे हैं और ये अच्छी इसकी ग्रोथ हो रही है।
लगा दे हम पानी पुनी
तो
ओ बिल्लो तेरी अख कतल करे लख कतल, जदों मूव करे करे लख कतल। असला भी लोड़ करे टल जा छड़ अखा नाल करने तू पास। बिल्लो तेरी अख कतल करे लख कतल, जदों मूव करे करे लख कतल। असला भी लोड़ करे टल जा छड़ अखा नाल करने तू पास।
Yes, you're really good at saying suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, it's under my skin. I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again? stone. Talk to throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a bee. The curiosity kept the cat alive. You see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and lady made her cry. My luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. Start the day. Have standing on in space. I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. 'Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering is never bleak. I'm listening in like a kid. Just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. Made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and lady made her cry. My luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to